In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get reviews on your Shopify store. Establishing a strong base of reviews on your Shopify store is crucial. Reviews act as social proof, influencing new buyers and building trust in your brand. So how can you start gathering these all-important testimonials? Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's navigate to Shopify by typing their URL into your browser. You'll be greeted with their homepage, a gateway to the many features Shopify has to offer. Once there, you'll find a login button. Click on it. Logging into your account is the first step in this process, and it's as straightforward as clicking that button. After clicking login, it's time to identify yourself. Type in your store name or the email you've registered with Shopify. This helps Shopify direct you to your specific admin page. Once you've filled in this detail, click on the option to continue with your email. This step is assuming you're not logging in via third-party providers like Google or Facebook, which Shopify also offers as convenient alternatives. If you do choose to log in through a third-party provider like Google, you will be prompted to choose an account. Select the account you want to use, making sure it's the one linked to your Shopify store. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify admin page. Look for the My Store button if you're not automatically redirected there. Upon reaching your store's homepage on Shopify, you will need to click on Settings. The Settings option is crucial as it houses all the operational aspects of your Shopify store, from payments to shipping, and more importantly for our purpose, the apps and sales channels. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This will navigate you to a place where you can add or remove applications that enhance your Shopify store's functionality. Next, we need to visit the Shopify App Store to find a review app that suits our needs. So, click on Shopify App Store to proceed. In the App Store, typing review into the search bar will pull up a list of apps dedicated to gathering customer reviews. From the search results, choose a review platform that catches your eye, or one that fits your specific needs. Features, pricing, and integration might vary, so picking one that aligns with your business model is key. After selecting a review app, you'll be taken to its details page. Here, look for the Install button to add the app to your Shopify store. Clicking on it signals Shopify to integrate the app with your store. You might have to agree to certain permissions or terms of service, which is standard procedure when installing new applications. Following the installation, there might be one final step requiring your confirmation to add the review app, such as Add Vitals to My Store. Just click on it and voila, you've successfully integrated a review system into your Shopify store. But remember, simply installing a review app isn't enough. Encouraging your customers to leave reviews, responding to their feedback, and displaying these reviews prominently can make a real difference in converting visitors to customers. Here are a few tips to enhance your review collection process. 1. Make leaving a review as easy as possible for your customers. A complicated process might discourage them from completing a review. 2. Offer incentives for leaving a review, like discounts on future purchases. This can significantly increase your review counts. 3. Engage with the reviews by thanking customers for positive feedback and addressing any concerns raised in less favorable reviews. This interaction demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. By now, you should be well on your way to building a robust collection of customer reviews on your Shopify store. Remember, the journey doesn't end with installation. Actively encourage feedback, showcase your reviews, and let the world know why customers love your products. Happy selling! And that wraps up our guide on getting reviews on your Shopify store. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your e-commerce potential, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.